There you go, Casey. There's Casey down there. Here's my filmer. Let's see what we got in here. There they are, Casey. Check them out. All in there. They're not gonna bother you.
Oh goodness.
See them in there.
That's pretty cool.
So she's a pretty thing. So there's the queen from Casey's swarm right there. She's just doing her thing. We're back. This is Casey, a co-worker of mine, and y'all introduce yourselves. Talk loud.
Gary Campty, holding Zachary.
Zachary, and what's your name?
I'm Kelly and this is Jay.
Okay. We got some bees out here. We're going to get them. Last week I had a swarm catch at a fellow church member's home, and today it's a co-worker. We'll get taken care of and see what we got here. Let's go see what we can do. Here's a swarm right here. Probably going to be about volleyball size, maybe. Probably about 10, probably about 12 feet up, 10, 12 feet up in the air. Nice little swarm. And I'm going to use the Colorado Bee Vac right here. I think it's going to be our easiest bet. So we're going to get set up and we're going to try it. I've used it a couple times, did a video on it last week. It worked great. I think this swarm will be a good one to use it on because it's got that branch going right to the middle of it. And it's high up, and I just think it's going to work perfect. So we're going to do that, and then I'm going to use the release technique that Guy, my creator of the product, showed me. Told me about. We'll use that to release them later. I gotta get this done, hopefully get it done before dark, so I can get set up here and get started. This is down here in Rehoboth, Alabama, and it's April 21st. All right, here we go. There's Casey over there, he's watching. I think they're all maybe a little nervous, as people usually are, but I think it's gonna go well.
Already. Bunch of them.
There you go, Casey. There's Casey down there. Here's my filmer.
And the kids were interested initially, now they're over there playing with swords and stuff. They'll talk about this probably for a couple weeks.
Pretty cool, huh?
Man, that's pretty awesome. That bee vac works pretty good.
It does, man. It's a game changer for sure. All right, so We'll stop this a minute, try and let them collect. There's a few stragglers flying around up there. We're gonna collect a few minutes and then suck those up and then take off. Once again, it just works so well. Let's see what we got in here. There they are, Casey. Check them out. All in there. They're not gonna bother you.
Oh, goodness.
See them in there? So what'd you think of that, Casey?
That was awesome. I just appreciate Bruce coming to take care of these bees.
What you think about that bee vac? It's pretty cool.
That's a pretty cool bee vac.
Yeah, I love it.
That's a cool bee vac.
Game changer for me. We're gonna let it collect up there, man. Then we're gonna get the rest of them down and get out of here. Appreciate you calling me.
I appreciate you coming.
All right, man. All right, man. So of course these bees are confused up here because their queen is gone. But they're starting to collect a little bit up there, so we'll get them in a minute. Looks like we about have them. There's a few flying around, but I just can't get every bee. I got to get out of here. So alright, don't turn it off. Okay, there are the bees. I just bumped them down. See how many there are in there. Pretty nice little swarm. Let's see what they do. Looks like I got this swarm. What you guys think? It's pretty cool?
What you think, Zach?
No, you didn't think it was cool?
That was cool. That's cool. Mr. Bruce came and got all them bees for us.
You got some bees in there?
Y'all can play safe in the yard.
Nobody got bit.
Yeah.
Nope. We got bit.
You did.
It was safe.
Yep.
Pretty
All right,
neat.
guys. So we're gonna wrap this little thing up here. I'm gonna go home and release these bees. And y'all, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it. And thanks for watching, guys. And we had a good time out here tonight. Gonna head out. Y'all take care. Okay, here are the the bees from the swarm I caught at Casey's house, and they're doing just great. See how calm they are. I did a little smoke in there, but they are just calm. Now there was one frame that was partially filled out with comb here. Let's see, and I actually manipulated the frames. They were building wax out that way, so I put a couple frames and slid them all this way. But anyway, here they are, building out some wax. And there are eggs in here, so I know there's a mated queen. I haven't seen her yet. I'm not gonna look too hard. They're just calm. I'm just gonna kind of leave them alone. But here's the frame that had the drawn out comb in it. They're mostly putting nectar in that. I did feed them a bottle or two of sugar water, and now they're pretty much on their own. Anyway, see how they're building out the wax? Pretty cool. So it was actually a little bigger, nicer swarm than I thought it was going to be when I got them. They're covering up about 3 to 4 frames, but they're building out, and see they're starting to build on this one over here, the wax. They're just doing what they do. Well, there's the queen right there. There she is. Oh, where'd she go? We'll easily set this down. She's a yellow queen. Where? Oh, there she is, right there on the edge, right here. See her? She is a pretty queen. So there's the queen from Casey's swarm right there.